Let's pick off with science that makes you go, huh. These are the ones that often, defy our gut feelings about how things work. Like, get this. Your brain, it can generate enough electricity to power a small light bulb.
It's pretty incredible, isn't it? Really speaks to the sheer amount of electrical and chemical energy buzzing around up there constantly. But here's another one that always gets people talking. Hot water can actually freeze faster than cold water. It's called the Mpemba effect.
Okay, that one always messes with my head. How does that even work?
Well, it's surprisingly complex. It's not just a quirk. It really challenges, basic ideas about heat transfer. There are theories involving evaporation, convection, dissolved gases. Scientists are still digging into the exact why for all situations. It's fascinating physics.
Wow. So much we still don't fully get. And speaking of definitions that trip us up, did you know a banana is technically a berry?
Uh-huh. And strawberries.
No.
Not berries at all.
No way. Seriously.
Yep. Botanically speaking, it's all about how the fruit develops from the flower's ovary. It's a perfect example of scientific classification versus, how we talk about food.
Definitely changes how I look at my breakfast. And then there's the sheer biological complexity, like an octopus having 3 hearts. 3.
Right. 2 pump blood through the gills, and 1 circulates it to the rest of the body. Amazing adaptation for getting oxygen around. And think about this. Your own body has more bacterial cells than human cells. We're basically walking ecosystems.
That's slightly unsettling, but also amazing. We're not just us. And okay, sticking with science marvels. Water can exist at its triple point, where it boils and freezes at the same time.
Exactly. It happens at a very specific temperature and pressure, where solid, liquid, and gas phases all coexist in equilibrium. It's a fundamental concept in thermodynamics. Shows how weird matter can behave under the right conditions. And think about your stomach. It creates a whole new lining every 3 to 4 days to protect itself from its own acid. Incredible regeneration.
That is just wild, constant rebuilding. And speaking of power, lightning. A single bolt is hotter than the surface of the sun.
Gives you a whole new respect for thunderstorms, doesn't it? The energy is immense. And here's a reversal you wouldn't expect. Sloths. Famously slow, can hold their breath longer than dolphins.
Get out! Longer than dolphins. How?
It's all about that super slow metabolism. They conserve oxygen incredibly efficiently. Dolphins burn energy much faster. Different survival strategies, And one more to clear up. That old story about seeing the Great Wall of China from space with the naked eye. Turns out, nope, not true.
So that one's busted. Okay. So all these science facts, they really push us, don't they? Push us to question what we think is normal or obvious about the world.